In this video, I'm going to show you how to change hours on Square appointments. Now, there's actually a few ways to do this. I'm going to show you two of the easiest ones. The first one is to change your availability. So you want to go to appointments over here on your dashboard on the left, and then you want to go to calendar. And inside your calendar, you'll see there's like a clock button up top. Click on this clock button, and here you can edit availability, either a one-time change, or you could go and create a recurring schedule. So you can just change this, for example, from 10 a.m. to, for example, 4 p.m. over here. And of course, you can change this for each and every single day. You can add additional days or remove them, or add different time periods if you have like breaks or stuff like that. So you could do, for example, from 8 a.m. to maybe like 11 a.m. and then go from 1 p.m. to 6 p.m. Okay, something like this. You could do that over here, and then just don't forget to click on done at the bottom, and you're good to go. That's going to basically change your hours on appointments. That's the first way. The second one is you can go to the bottom on the left over here, click on settings, then go to account and settings, and then under my business you can find locations. If you click on locations, you can go and create a new location or edit an existing one. So you can just click on it, click on edit location, and then down here, as you can see, you can change your business hours. So if I scroll down, there's going to be the business hours over here. There we go. You can change them over here as well, and that way basically change your hours on your appointments. Okay, so those are the two ways you can do it. Then click on the save button top right, and you are good to go. Okay, so I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.